pilot assembly is a very key component to the D-Series water heater and its operation. The error codes, when we look at a quick service guide, we're going to have 4 error codes that are going to have the same type of service action. Error code 4, 57, 62, and 63. Service action is all going to relate back to let's clean our pilot assembly, do a good visual inspection. The pilot assembly is part of the burner rack itself. Burner rack is actually slid into a tray assembly on the bottom of the water heater. But when you gain access to the burner, set it up onto a table or a bench, and when you have the pilot assembly out, pay close attention where white wire goes into the ceramic, orange wire goes into the ceramic. Those are common fatigue areas, so let's make sure the wires are in good shape there. But cleaning the electrode in our flame sensor, commonly you're going to use a dollar bill in many cases, paper, something that has an abrasive surface, but not overly rough. We just want to clean that flame sensor and electrode to take the oxidation, the white chalky look, clean it up to where that electrode and flame sensor is smooth and shiny.